Myself, Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology. And today we will discuss about our new topic, that is the jerk technology. The common observation and experience of majority of teachers, student, administrator, parents is that the classroom activity are mostly dry. Students are not active. They can be made active by the teachers. Teacher can use the latest technology, a state of art during their teaching, which has the potentiality to make student active. Probably this may be too much to expect from the teacher as well as the institute, because teachers might not have been exposed to the latest technology and it may not be available everywhere. In India, it is difficult to make all unequal equal. As per our experience, observation, and stretch of imagination, one can say that in all probability the people sitting in a bus moving on a smooth road will sleep. It is noticed that the driver of the bus tells to front seat passenger not to sleep or doze. If he want to sleep, he can change the seat. It can be said that passengers of such a bus are inactive. To make them active, sometimes the driver suddenly apply brake. Not only this, even the government is contributing significantly to this phenomena by not repairing roads, making road with curve and turn, erecting speed breaker, etc. All these help passenger to be active. They become active because of jerk. Similarly, through jerk, student can be made active in the classroom. Due to the activeness, the receptivity of student is likely to improve. Here various tools of the jerks have been given. What are the objectives? Now the objectives of the jerk technology: to make the student active learner, to make learning joyful, to create a tension-free atmosphere in the classroom, to help learner in making him aware what does he understand, to help learner in increasing the presence of mind in the classroom, to break monotony in the class. Then what are the tools of the jerk technology? There are different ways of giving jerk. Its selection depends on the target group, purpose, subject, context, teacher personality. Nevertheless, different tools of jerk technology are as: first, a mirror image writing. Normally, it is observed that science teacher make use of blackboard to the maximum extent in comparison to the social science teacher. Teachers use blackboard in such a way that students, without comprehending, they copy the blackboard content in their copies. Sometimes even the student do not know what has he copied. Students keep on talking, exchanging jokes, reading the books of one choice, doing homework, as well as copying from the blackboard. It reflects that the student remain inactive during the process of copying from the blackboard. In this, only good point is that speed of writing of teacher and student is almost the same. The student does not missing anything. Can a learner be made active by writing either on the blackboard or transparency? Yes, it is possible. Try to read the following and feel the difference. You might have felt that you had to pay more attention in reading mirror image writing. You had to read letter by letter as you did when you were young. The teacher can use mirror image writing only when he wants students to pay more attention to the important points. Mirror image writing work in the almost all situations and with different learners. It does not require any additional financial support. The teacher can self-trained. Teacher with scientific temper will like to give it trial. Disproportionate word writing. You might have seen the advertisement along the roadside in TV, magazine. There is a lot of change in the writing. Writing is disproportionate. It is done with the purpose of attracting the attention of common people. This can also be used by the teachers. At present, mostly teachers write on the blackboard uniformly. It does not encourage or motivate the student to pay the attention to the blackboard writing. This situation can be reversed by using disproportionate word writing. Small writing. Teacher can take special care of students sitting on last bench by writing with bold letter on the blackboard. It does not seem to help students because they remain passive. They can be made active by writing important words so small that even the student sitting on the front bench cannot see. As soon as you write like this, almost all students will start asking, "What did you write on the blackboard?" When student asks, teacher should not read. Some students might try to read at their own. It is this which makes them active and receptivity will be better. Double negative sentence. During teaching, teachers speak some important sentence. Sometimes students are cautioned by saying that please pay attention, listen carefully, it is important, etc. As a consequence, some students pay attention, become active, alert, but majority of students remain inactive or not alert. For attracting their attention, also try to speak important sentence by using double negatives and see if it helps student to understand the point by concentrating on it. He has not been unsuccessful. I don't think that he does not misunderstand. This thesis is not unreliable. This topic is not uninteresting. So you can use these words as an example. Logical, illogical conclusion. Explanation is an important ingredient of the teaching. At the end of each explanation, a statement in the form of conclusion is made. Concluding statement is most important and students are supposed to comprehend and retain. As per experience, it is observed that students hardly feel the difference in concluding statement and statement of explanation. One of the reasons is that concluding statements are not differentiable. Try to draw illogical conclusion on the basis of correct explanation. To your surprise, you may note that those who did not speak, they start speaking. Student might say that the conclusion is not correct. Without missing this opportunity, ask student the correct conclusion. At the end, correct conclusion should be given. Use multiple words. It is a common experience that people are unable to understand or comprehend everything that they read or listen. There might be many reasons for it. One of the reasons might be that reader is unable to understand a word. Consequently, the whole paragraph, a spoken sentence, is not comprehended. This problem can be overcome in the class by replacing the keyword by multiple words having some same meaning. Multiple words may be spoken in different languages: English, Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati. Of the multiple words spoken in class, some words will definitely strike the mind of the student, and comprehension on the part of student might improve. Side by side, it also brings variation in the classroom, which improve the classroom climate. No harm in trying it yourself. Some of the example, like it is difficult, kathin, muskil, jatil. You can use such type of the words. Teachers know non-mistake. Teachers are supposed to be custodian on information, knowledge, etc. They are supposed to know everything. Teachers are considered to be the storehouse of the knowledge. There are some of the notions about a teacher, people must realize that teachers are human beings too. They are born with certain capacities which get developed to a certain extent through the training they undergo. Each teacher development will be different, and so also the performance in the classroom. During teaching, teacher try to give correct information, write correctly, draw correct diagrams, make correct connection in the laboratory, write correct formula, etc. Due to this, student take it for granted that whatever is done in the classroom by the teacher is correct. There is nothing wrong in it. But this notion is dangerous and sometimes may be anti-learning. It is also a fact that student, if read a topic beforehand, then their level of understanding will be better when the same topic is taught by the teacher. Teacher does not make mistakes, so students are relaxed, inactive, inattentive. This situation can change by teacher of the benefit of the student. Teacher can make mistake knowingly. That is while teaching computer programming, teacher knowingly can use wrong command. Then the students will become learner and the teacher can also get feedback about the understanding of the students. Similarly, teacher can also make mistakes knowingly while drawing a diagram, making connection in the laboratory, writing formula on the background. It is important to note that and remember that if students are unable to point out the mistake, then the teacher should ask student by drawing their attention to the mistake as to whether is it correct. If they are unable to point out the mistake, then teacher should point it out and explain why is it wrong. This might help in the development of critical thinking apart from making the student active learner. Thus, teacher known mistake can be good tool to make teaching interesting and useful. If you like, give it a try. This is all about the jerk technology, and with the help of the jerk technology we can make the teaching very effective and also make the students very active. This is all about the jerk technology. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.